In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got another amazing video for you guys. uh, I'm about to do an oil change on the 2004 Nissan Quest V6 3.5. Oil cap, it's right here, and make sure you could heat up the engine if you want to let it flow out faster and keep it open, so it will flow out faster, especially when the engine is warm up. And in my previous video, y'all saw that it got two parts. You could pour in the coolant as well. You could pour it in the radiator by itself when the engine is totally cooled down, or if you don't have time to do that, you just pour it in the reservoir, and the power steering is right there. So just want to let you know basics, things that you don't know. Okay, we have the pan right here. The oil that we're going to be using is the Castrol GTX Magnatech 5W30 GDI turbo, full synthetic, of course. This is the 5 quarts. I don't really know, I don't know how much quarts this take, but I'm gonna look it up and see. But it gotta be like at least five. If it's more, I'll just top it off, put some more. We have the funnel right here. I have tools to take off the filter, and this is a 14 millimeter. I'm not sure what thing it takes. I will let you guys know while I'm doing the video. And another thing, let me show you guys where it's located. Right here is on the passenger side, which is right there. Right there, see the bolt? It's right here. Kind of hard to do, but it's right there, guys. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys where the thing is located. The filter is located on the passenger side. It's right under the shield, so I'm gonna use a filter clamp it and twist it and take it off, guys. So it's easy and simple. Make sure you have a jack stand to hold up the vehicle for extra protection. So let's get down to business. Alright, here we go, guys. Remember, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty, so turn it left. Get it back on there, turn it left. Okay, let's put it one swing. Alright, go back on it. Should have jack it up some more. Let me go closer. You want to use your thing that you have? Yeah, get the other one, that would be better. But this one is, you gotta go like one time, you cannot go back. If you go back, you tighten it. Yeah, so he's gonna get the other wrench socket, the other wrench to go back and unlock it easier that way. We had just used the extension to basically break it, especially when you don't have no leverage. Is the best thing to do, to use the extension. Bless you. Thank you. All right, there we go. You can twist it off with your hand now. Shouldn't have your gloves, huh? It's gonna get messy. There you go. Really had needed to be changed. How dirty it is. Turn off the flash. Yeah, it was really dirty. It was done. This was really needed to change. Yeah.
All the time it was. Wow.
That it's so bad that you could see the viscosity was totally broke down, that it turned orange. Alright guys, so it really needed to change. As you can see how bad it is. Wow. Alright, we're gonna wait a little bit more until they start dripping, then we're gonna get to the other side to change the filter, and we're gonna show you. Alright guys, so here we gonna get this filter because we can't get it off with manpower, so of course I have the filter, the filter wrench. Wasn't that bad. Turn it this way, this way, this way, this way. It's good. Yeah. Alright, so taking off the filter, the excessive oil is coming out from the filter side. And there you have it. Just wait about maybe a minute or two. Everything drain out. Then we're gonna put back the drain plug back in, and we're gonna install the new filter. In the meantime, let me go and show you guys the filter. So here's the filter. We're using TG6607. This is a Tough Guard Fram filter. So you see it, 24K. Yeah, everything actually right here for 15,000 miles protection, stop and go drive in hot and cold temperature. So we got the good stuff. Okay, what we'll be doing sometime is just take a little bit and take a finger and just swab the seal so it don't really stick sometime on the housing. And you could just, yeah, that would be good. That's good. All right, we're gonna install this. Here we go. Okay, here we are. You wanna hold it? Hold it. All right, as you can see, right here. And you don't need the filter wrench to tighten it. Just use your manpower and bam, easy and simple. Tighten, and let's install the drain plug back on. Yeah, so we're going to install back the drain plug. Yeah, just hand tighten it, and just use the wrench and just snug it. Yeah, it's the right way. Perfect. Alright, take the wrench and just snug it like on the right. Not too tight. You don't want to strip the threads, so one time. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, we're about to pour the oil. Go ahead. pour all of it. So as I said, this is the Castrol Edge. Let me turn on the light. Sorry about that. This is the Castrol Edge GTX Magnatech full synthetic. And you guys know that I always put my trust in Castrol. I never have no problem with this oil, even when I have my Audi, my Chevy, my Toyota. I did a lot of oil changes with it. Never have no problem with it, and I always go for full synthetic. I never go for the cheaper brand. That's just me. So this is how you do it, guys. For the whole thing. And we're going to take everything out. We're going to drop it down, then we're going to start it up. Oh, we'll just turn it left. So remove everything from there. You can start it up now. Gonna start it up. We get a hammer and knock it down. Alright, go ahead. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so it's running and everything, and all we have to do, you already know, to reset that engine oil. Let's get down to business. Alright guys, sorry that I didn't get to show you the demonstration how to reset the light, that every time that warning light that said engine oil, to get to reset it, that warning light. My battery had died for the camera, so I just have to leave it. Hopefully all you got to do is basically follow the procedure that I left earlier. Just follow it, and the buttons is like right there in the Nissan Quest. Easy and simple. You just, everything is by touching the buttons, and just turn down the not the mileage but the numbers. Just change it to 0, turn off the vehicle and turn it back on. It's easy and simple, but once you follow the steps that I left, it should be easy and simple to do. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, and be safe out there. Peace.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money.